Hello angels, and welcome back to my channel. It is RaeSavvy here, back with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. Today's content is crafted for the chic quarantine. We ain't going nowhere anyway, mommy, angel, and you. So for this inspiration for this video, I definitely got it from another YouTuber, and I will leave her video in the description below. Go check out her video as well. But before we get into this, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get into this video. Okay, so you're definitely gonna need some slides. Of course, I got these pairs from wish.com, y'all. It took forever for them to get here, but I'm so glad they made it. You're also gonna need some E6000 glue. I was so happy to have found this glue. It was the last one at Target. I guess everybody at home crafting. Okay, you're also gonna need some pearls. The pearls in this pack right here I got from the Dollar Tree, so they're only $1. They have various sizes. And then this case of these assorted pearls I got from Amazon. I'll put it in the description. You're gonna need some paper, tracing paper, and fabric, black fabric. But the tracing paper is for you to pretty much make your logo if you choose to do so. So if not, you can also print the Chanel logo or whatever logo you want off of the internet for free. Look that up. But I decided, because I'm a pretty good artist, if I do say so myself, to go ahead and just trace it out. And it worked out pretty well. I'm just using the cup to get like the basic shape of the circle going, and then overlapping the circles with a centimeter in between the two circles, adding the little openings for the C's, and I think it turned out pretty well. So I did this for myself and also RaeSavvy. So here you have it. Not bad at all. From there, you go ahead and cut out your logo to the best of your ability. Because it is a circle shape and it's overlapping, it was a little bit tedious, y'all. So I'm just gonna say, take your time, do the best you can. But because of the style of this, it's not crucial that it is perfect. Okay, it's gonna blend in with your shoe. That's why you want to use black fabric or the same color fabric as you're going to be using on your shoe. So go ahead and pin your logo down to your fabric like so. Now RaeSavvy about to hurt herself. Oh my gosh. And then go ahead and cut out your logo and start to apply your pearls. Everything but this step is pretty much organic. I line the C, the top and the bottom, and the inside overlappings with the smallest pearls that I have, just to make sure that C's are like very like legible to the eye when you see them. But after that, I just go hard with the pearls, just moving pretty much organically. And yeah, I like the way it turned out, but I did have some gaps. So I went in with the loose pearls that I got from the Dollar Tree and added those on top, just to give like a chunky, glam kind of look. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's all hard. It's pretty much like jewelry. That's what my mom told me. So I'm just gonna attach it to my shoe now. Okay, Ray, go ahead and take. These are the little ones. These are the little C's for RaeSavvy's shoe. They're still drying right now. So of course the final step is for you to attach the C's to your shoe with your E6000 glue, and press and hold, and you're pretty much done. So I just want to thank you all for tuning in to another one of my videos. If this is not your first time, but if it is your first time, I really hope you feel welcome, and I really hope you feel inclined to stay. But as always, I'm going to pray you all continue to live your blessed life. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.